Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, I will teach you how you can solve a problem of STL file. Let's suppose you have STL file and you want to do a structure analysis or CFD analysis in Ansys. And when you import this STL file into your Ansys workbench, then it creates problem. Let me show you. Let's suppose I want to do a static structure analysis. So for that I drag this static structural analysis here, and here we need to import the geometry, and I have a STL file. Okay, and I just select this one, import this STL file, then go to okay, and now we can open this STL file in SpaceClaim. So we have to wait until this SpaceClaim is open. So here you can see that this is a STL file, you can see. Okay, and now we go to the model and then go to edit, and mechanical option is opening. Okay, so now we are in Ansys mechanical, and here what we have to do, like we have assigned the material to this body, and now we want to create a mesh. So we will select mesh and then go to generate mesh, and here you can see that we receive a error that the mesh generation did not completed. This is because it's already a STL file. Okay, so how to solve this problem? Let me close this one, and then we will go back to our geometry, and then we will open SpaceClaim. So we have to wait. Okay, so now first we have opened the STL file in SpaceClaim, and then what we will do, we just right click on it, and then we will select option convert to solid, and here we will select merge faces. Now you can see that it's converted into 3D body. Okay, and now we need to save this one. We will go to file, and then we will go to save as, and we will let's suppose desktop, and here we will select the file type. We will stack step file. Okay, so we'll select step file. This is sys123. You can give any specific name, you can uh, select any specific folder where you want to save, and then we will go to save. Okay, so now we have saved this 3D body. Okay, now we will go back to our, and here we will draw another static structure analysis. And now we go to import, and then import, and this time we will select a body, this one that we have created a step file of our STL file using SpaceClaim, and then said okay. Now we will go to the mechanical system, and we will, maybe you will get this message, so you just need to allow this one. See, now you can see that our body is 3D, and if you will click on generate mesh, so now you can see that we don't get the error. Okay, so in this way we can convert a STL file to a step file, and then we can import step file into Ansys workbench, and we can do the further analysis. And you cannot use STL file directly for the structure analysis or CFD analysis. Now you can perform rest of the structure analysis. You can uh, change the size of this mesh. See, We will change the size to fine and then go to generate mesh. So its already size is very small, so you can use this element size option, and you can do the meshing according to your requirement. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.